Hello, beautiful people. Hope you are doing very well. This is Shivani, and you are watching Bibo with Shivani Day. I am very happy to receive some overwhelming responses on my previous posts. Many of you have contacted me, got in touch with me on wanting to know more about what is beautiful inside and beautiful outside all about. And some of you have been asking me the secrets behind my beautiful smile, my glowing skin, and beautiful hair. Of course, I'm going to share what I do and the reason, the secret behind that. But we are also going to talk about beautiful inner health on this forum. So, yes, if your mind, if your soul, and if your heart is beautiful, happy, then it will reflect outside, and then your skin will be glowing from outside. तो हम यहाँ पे उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे जो भी आपको परेशान करती है या जिनके लिए आपको कोई रास्ता नहीं समझ आता कि किससे पूछें, क्या करें, कहाँ जाएं। तो मैं आपके लिए हूँ, मैं आपकी उसमें मदद करूँगी, आपको बताऊँगी अपने सीक्रेट्स कि मैं क्या करती हूँ अपनी स्किन के लिए, अपने जनरल बॉडी हेल्थ के लिए। यहाँ पे हम लोग न केवल एक्सटर्नल ब्यूटी के बारे में बात करेंगे कि कैसे हम अपनी त्वचा, अपने दांत, अपनी आँखें, अपने बाल, इन सब की केयर करें, इन सब को खूबसूरत बनाएं। पर हम अंदर की खूबसूरती के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो अपने मन को कैसे शांत करें, अपनी आत्मा को कैसे खुश करें। और यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों की प्रॉब्लम समझ सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं भी इन सब चीज़ों से गुजरी हूँ। कुछ टाइम पहले तक मुझे भी ऑफिस के काम से टाइम नहीं मिलता था, मैं घर के कामों में बिजी रहती थी, मेरा वेट बढ़ गया था, मतलब बहुत बढ़ गया था। आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 80 kgs एंड कोई इतना शौक नहीं रहा था। जब आपका वेट बढ़ जाता है, आपको खूबसूरत दिखने का मन ही नहीं करता। आप जस्ट जाते हो काम पे, अपना काम करके आते हो, फिर घर का काम करते हो, ऐसे आपका दिन निकल जाता है। और मैं समझती हूँ आप में से कई ऐसी औरतें होंगी, कई ऐसी महिलाएं होंगी जिनको भी ऐसा फील होता होगा कि खुद के लिए तो वक्त ही नहीं है, सारा टाइम औरों के लिए निकल गया। बट उस जोन से एक पॉजिटिव जोन में आना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि जब हम अपना ख्याल रखेंगे, जब हम अपनी खुशी के बारे में सोचेंगे और जब हम खुद की आत्मा को शांत रखेंगे, तभी हम दूसरों की मदद कर पाएंगे। यस लेडी, सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप योरसेल्फ हैप्पी, contented and healthy. It begins with eating healthy. So we are going to talk about healthy and nutritious food here, which is very easily available in your kitchen or in the nearby market. We are also going to talk about healthy fitness regimes, a very basic fitness regimes wherein you don't need equipment or hardcore exercises that household women or a working woman can easily do. That's what I did. When I was preparing for Mrs. India last year, I did not, like everyone, I did not join any kind of gym or a fitness trainer. I just adapted very basic things, like I stopped using lift and I started using staircase. So I'm going to share all that also with you. I will tell you. You don't have to worry. We'll go step by step, and in each video, if you keep following, you'll come to know something new and something different. And I'm sure it is going to be helpful for you because it has been for me. With all these practices which I am going to share, I lost about 7 kgs in 2 months before my Mrs. India pageant. And then I have been following all these uh, rituals regularly since then, and soon after another few months, I lost 15 kgs. Today I am 63 kgs. So from 80, 78, 80 to 63, the journey was more of being consistent rather than, I would not call it very difficult, because it came easy to me when I was consistent. So that is what we need to follow. Then, of course, I'm going to talk about the secret behind my beautiful smile, which many of you were asking, and skincare. So, skincare also, I adapt very uh, easy things which are ingredients which are available in your kitchen, and many a times fruits. And why so? I will tell you about that when we talk about when you speak about the skincare in our video. So yeah, so that's very simple. And what goes inside, but what you are eating is again very important, because uh, that is what reflects on your skin and your health and your mind and your body, everything. तो मैं अब समझती हूँ कि आप लोग अब थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए होंगे कि हम अपने आप को एक बेहतर इंसान बना पाएंगे, अपना केयर कर पाएंगे, अपने को खुश रख पाएंगे। और जहाँ पे भी आप कहीं हिचकिचाएंगे, जहाँ पे भी आपको कोई समस्या होगी या कोई डाउट होगा, तो उसके लिए मैं हूँ आपके पास, और मैं आपकी हर मुश्किल में आपका साथ दूंगी, आपके सब डाउट्स क्लियर करूंगी, आपको गाइड करूंगी, मैं वो सब बताऊंगी जो मैंने किया. So I'm going to tell you what I have done and what I do. If you think it is good, you can try, and if you find it useful, then please do that. And I am sure you will find results, because I have found results and I have experienced it in my life. Today I am happy, and that is the reason I am able to spread happiness. So anyone, this is not what I say, but then that's what people tell me. So wherever I meet people and whoever I connect with, I make them happy. They feel comfort and they feel good in my company. And that is because first I have taken care of my happiness, and I have always been a person who thinks that nothing is difficult in life. If any difficulty, I mean, you cannot have life which is problem free. You will have problems, but then if you consider it as a difficulty and a hurdle, you will never be able to cross it. So take it positively, be open to things, keep smiling, and spread happiness. Alright then, let's wait for my mindfulness video. I'm sorry, I was supposed to post that before, but then I thought let me clarify the doubts first, because everyone was very unsure of what is beautiful inside, beautiful outside all about. So here I'm going to motivate you, inspire you, and give you the push needed to become confident, healthy, beautiful, and happy women, human beings. Take care then. Until we meet next, lots of love. Stay beautiful inside and outside. Thank you.